Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted files and folders in Windows 11. All right, let's begin. First, open Control Panel and set the view to Category. Go to System and Security, scroll down and open File History. If File History is enabled, you can restore your deleted files from there. If it is not enabled, open Microsoft Store, search for Recuva, and install it. Open Recuva and click Next. Select the file type you want to recover, for example, pictures, then click Next. Choose the location where the files were stored before deletion. Click Next again and enable Deep Scan for better results. Recuva will scan your drive and show recoverable files. Select the files and recover them. So that's basically how you can recover permanently deleted files and folders in Windows 11. And that's it for this video. Thanks.